Yo, what's up guys? My name is Farza, and as you can tell from the title of this video, we're going to be tracking monkey balls with OpenCV and Python. Now, this is really exciting stuff. This is cutting edge stuff, guys. So let's just jump right into the video, which brought this idea to me in the first place. Oh. This video is an absolute work of art, an absolute masterpiece, by all means. This is the defining moment of the video right here. Boom! The balls were visible for about 1.5 seconds here. And that's our job right now. We need to track these balls over the course of these 1.5 seconds. That's our job. That's our God-given mission. I got Versus code open here, and I already started it a little bit. I downloaded the video. It's called balls.mp4, and I created like a little script that is going to go through it frame by frame. How are we going to detect these balls? My first thought is to use color matching. The balls have a very, very apparent... Oh my god, look at the scissor! Yo! Oh my god. Dude, he legit almost sliced off his balls. Now, what you're going to notice about the balls is that they have a very specific color. They have this very specific pinkish, whitish color that is really nowhere else in the video. So at this point, I'm pretty much going to focus on color matching. There is some cool stuff in computer vision which allows you to like automatically detect circular things. I'm going to try that, but later. My first step is going to be, can I just use color matching? If you guys don't know what color matching is, I'll just show you real quick. And yo, this is perfect. The title of this is Ball Tracking with OpenCV. Perfect! We're also dealing with balls, but just a different type of we're also dealing with a ball, but like multiple balls. Perfect, this is it. I'm happy, dude. So here it is. Basically what you do is you get the image and you get the dominant color that you're trying to search for. In this case, the ball is green. And you essentially only then capture the colors that you're trying to look for. So in this case, you're looking for green, and the image on the right is the image on the left, but only with the green pixels turned on. And you see it right there. And that's what we're gonna do, but on this monkey's balls right here. The light on the ball is constantly changing. There's constantly a new amount of shadow. There's constantly movement. You know, the color is even changing because there's more light on it in this case, and then it's gone, right? It's gone forever. So we convert the image to HSV. HSV is a color space, just like RGB, just like black and white, just like BGR. So in the world of tracking colors, you usually want to track using this thing called HSV, hue saturation value. And that's because this is much better at tracking colors when the light and the shadow in the video is changing a lot on the object you want to track. All we want to do is we want to capture the color that corresponds to this monkey's balls. And we're doing that by setting thresholds over here. We're pretty much saying, if a color falls between these two thresholds, mask it out and give it to me as an image. So over here is all my thresholded values that I got. And this is the original image, side by side there. Now what you're noticing is that we're capturing, so all the white pixels is where my program thinks the balls are at right now. And that's because it's not really optimized at the moment, and it's capturing like all values it thinks are the color of the balls. But the good part here is that it is capturing the balls right there somewhere in the middle. So that's good. That means all we gotta do now is figure out the right numbers where we will capture only the balls. So it looks like we got the balls, but we got everything except the balls. So that means we're getting close. Yeah, looks good. All right, so we're making some progress now. I got the balls almost. So you can see like, I almost have both balls next to each other. But you also notice that we're getting other pieces colored as well. For example, his upper area His upper area is colored a lot like his balls, so that's a little bit tough. And we're getting some areas in the background because they're also a little bit reddish. It's not as big of a deal. We can figure those out later. But the good part is, yeah, we sort of got the balls. Looks pretty good here. Oh yeah, look at those. That's perfect. What does my life come to? Okay, so I was able to fix it up a lot more. Basically, I brought down the saturation field. And you can see I can pretty clearly track the balls now without capturing a lot of the backside. That is exciting stuff, guys. So pretty much now that we have the balls like colored like nicely in our image, we want to actually draw a box around the image. And to do that, we need to actually know that this is an area with a lot of white pixels. And by doing that, we're going to be like, oh, look for the area in the image where there's like a bunch of white pixels together, and then draw a box around it. So let's do that. And all right, here we are. So now we're drawing this big circle around this monkey's balls, as you can see on the bottom. And it's working pretty nicely. You know, we're tracking the balls. Look at that, look at it go. Woo! Yo, once I get this working, I'm gonna play some of that Skyrim theme song music. Like where it goes like Dova King. Because dude, this is about to be epic. This is god tier stuff. This is god tier material. No one's gonna teach you this in college. No one's gonna teach you this in high school, on the job. You know, you think if you work for Google, you're gonna get this? No, you only get this here on YouTube.com/whatever the fuck this channel is called. I'm not sure. Oh, and yo, by the way, let me just go over the code really quick because it's not that hard. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm capturing contours. So first of all, I capture the contours. And what that means is I go in this black and white image and I say, give me all the pixels that are very heavily connected together and draw like a bounding box, or sorry, draw like a shape to connect them together. So in this case, OpenCV was like, hey, there are these blob of pixels grouped here together. These obviously look like they're all connected together and they make a shape. And that's what OpenCV did. And the next thing I do here is I look for the biggest balls contour. And what that means is I go through all the contours that OpenCV might have found, and I pick the biggest one, the one with the balls. Very important. And then that's it. After that, I get the big ball contour, I put it right here into this draw contours function, and that is what draws it right here. All right, guys, so now I'm drawing. So I get the XY coordinate position of my contour, and I just draw a rectangle where that contour is. I really hope this works, or else this is not going to be epic at all. So please work. Oh shit! All right, boys, wait for it.